Just kidding. We're cleaning brushes. Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. I got y'all in the beginning, didn't it? I know I did. I'm gonna do that challenge one day. But anywho, today we are going to be cleaning. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see how it landed? Oh man. Anyway, today we're going to be cleaning these makeup brushes because they haven't been cleaned in months. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You don't have to worry about like them getting all crazy, like you know how they'll end up looking like that. Nah, you don't have to worry about that. All you need, oh my gosh, anywho, all you need is some hot water, Dawn dish soap or whatever dish soap you have, and distilled vinegar. Okay, I put my water in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's really hot. I really hope it doesn't like mess up my synthetic brushes. But whatever. Okay, all you need, this is half a tablespoon, but you need a full tablespoon of dish soap. Oh God, don't get everywhere, please. Yeah. Oh, it got on the floor. Lord. Oh gosh. All right. Okay. Stir that around. And then you need, oh gosh, I'm gonna spill this everywhere, y'all. Let me see if I can point y'all down so y'all can see it. Oh gosh. Oh. Yay! Oh, yay! Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay, now you just stir it up. Put all of your makeup brushes in there. And you know, I like to use like a jar like this so they don't go all over the place. They can stand straight up, which will really work in your favor, not to mess up your brushes. Move them around and you let this sit for 20 minutes. You see the water's already getting dirty. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes. All right, guys, so I am in my kitchen now. This is what it looks like. It's actually not as dirty as I expected it to be. But basically, let me see if I can turn you guys to see it. We got some dishes in here, don't worry about that. Anywho, basically, cut the water on, rinse it off. I wish I had like a little comb or something, but you just rinse it off, make sure all that gunk and makeup is out of there. Put it on a nice dry towel, and that's about it. Not bad. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment below if you like videos like this, and I will see you later.